children, today we are going to study the food making process in green plants, that is called photosynthesis. So listen very carefully, let us go to the class. Okay, it about nutrition. Nutrition is divided into two types, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? That is, green plants are making themselves the food. That is called autotrophic nutrition. So they are called autotrophs. So let us see that in photosynthesis process, what is happening. So let us look at the word photosynthesis. Photo in the sense light and the synthesis, that is prepare. So food is making with the help of light. That is why it is known as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis. In this module, you will learn about photosynthesis. Green plants are making their food by themselves. So, they are called autotrophs. The green plants prepare their food through a process called photosynthesis. Can you guess the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Green plants require 4 things to prepare food: carbon dioxide, water, light and chlorophyll. The green plants produce carbohydrate like glucose by absorption of carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water from the soil in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis begins when light strikes the plant leaves. The main source of light energy is the sun. The cells of green plants contain a special type of cell organelle called chloroplast. The cells of green plants contain a special type of cell organelles called chloroplast. The chloroplast bears a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps the energy of sunlight and initiates food preparation from water and carbon dioxide. So inside chloroplast, chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which traps sunlight. Green plants absorb water from the soil with the help of root hair. From the root, water is transported to the leaves through the stem. Can you see that? Water is transporting through the stem to the leaves because it is a raw material for photosynthesis. Green plants absorb water from the soil with the help of root hair and it reaches into the chloroplast. Carbon dioxide is present in the air and it diffuses into the leaf through a small pores on the surface of leaves. They are called stomata. From the stomata, carbon dioxide travels to the chloroplast. Can you see that? Carbon dioxide passes through the stomata. Stomatas are small openings on the surface of leaves. Now water and carbon dioxide reaches into the chloroplast. In the chloroplast, the carbon dioxide combines with water and through a chemical reaction produces carbohydrate. That is called glucose, which is actually a form of simple sugar. It can be written as a equation. Carbon dioxide plus water gives, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, carbohydrate, oxygen
and water. This is called the chemical equation of photosynthesis. You will study that in the higher classes. Carbon dioxide plus water gives, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, carbohydrate, oxygen and water. This process is called photosynthesis. Is it clear? This is called equation for photosynthesis. Thus, we conclude that the leaves of green plants are chemical factories that use the light energy from the sun to produce chemical energy in the form of food. Water and carbon dioxide reacts to form oxygen and carbohydrate. That is happening in the food factory. That is in the plants, in the leaves. The carbohydrate produced in the leaves is then transported through tubes called phloem into different parts like stem, flowers, fruits and roots of the plant. Carbohydrate is reaching all the parts of the body through the pipe-like structure called phloem, and it helps for the growth of the plant. This is the process of photosynthesis. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Green plants manufacture food by using light energy from the sun, chlorophyll present in the green leaf cells, water absorbed from the soil through the roots, carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmosphere through stomata present on the leaf surface.